aka Lady C. Today I'm with Khenrich. Hi. Today we're going to be doing the GOGOPO Slime Superstar Challenge. Yay! So we have 3 different types of putties and they are series 2. So our first putty is the GOGOPO Super Bubbly Putty. Our second putty is the Super Bouncy Putty. And then our third putty is a Super Stretchy Putty. Yay! So let's do this challenge. All of our GOGOPO challenges are on this sheet of paper. Let's do this challenge! Yay! We're going to be doing the Super Stretchy Putty challenges now. So there are 2 of them, and the first one is how far can you stretch Flexi Putty? So we're going to be using 2 of them, so then it's a big Flexi. So a big Flexi Putty. So we're going to be using the Flexi Putty Snow Globe. Snow Globe? Snow Globe, that's so cool! It's kind of stretchy. Oh my god! Okay guys, so now we're gonna see out of me and Khenrich who can make the longest Flexi Putty. Go! This is golden! No, it's not, it's white. Hey! Okay guys, so me and Khenrich had thought about it and we think it is a tie. Because Khenrich just wanted just a little bit curved over, so we don't actually know how we can measure if it's curved. But anyways guys, comment down below who do you think won? Me or me? Khenrich. Chelsy or Khenrich? Yeah. Who won? Comment down below. So yeah, mine. Khenrich is the curved one and mine is the really straight one up to the wall. Hey, so yeah, okay guys, so let's stretch it one more time before we move into the next challenge. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Hey, good, mine goes all the way to the sofa. Oh, look. Wait. So our next challenge is, can we make a giant slime bubble? So if we want it to be giant, we're going to have to make all of the white Flexi Putty to make the giant slime bubble. So next we're going to open one, and then we're going to open this one together. Yeah. A tiny bubble, I made a giant bubble, I made a giant bubble. And then just You really did, you did it. You did it, you just have to do it a little bit more, look. Come on. Okay, I enjoy it. Yes! You've seen us do the slime bubbles, and I think I won this challenge for all the giant bubbles I made. I'm actually gonna make one. This is so much fun. And kind of easy actually. It goes like this. So basically, you have to put it like this and go. If you have that, you can just. Look at this. Hey! That was really fun, and I think I won because I've been doing lots of them and Khenrich only managed to do 2. So guys, we have just mixed both of our slime and they become a giant slime, which Khenrich is holding, and we are going to be trying to attempt to make a giant slime bubble. Yes. Oh, I just made it bigger one. That's so cool. So yeah, really this is actually going to be really hard at the same time because it's big, but it's actually going to be kind of funny because there's going to be kind of lots of fails in this, but let's do it. Okay guys, so now we're going to be trying to attempt to make the giant bubble. And guys, since it's going to be giant, we might have to stand up, which we are doing right now. Oh, sorry. That's what I mean. We're going to whack out with slime. 2 ends of the other 2 corners. Go. 1, 2, 2. I don't know what to make everything go. I don't know what it is. 1, 2, 2. One, 2. It's popping though. Okay. This is really good. Oh gosh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Our next challenges are the super bubble putty challenges. We're going to be using the blue. So one each. So let's open them. Each is like what? How high is the tallest tower you can build using bubble putty in 1 minute? Go. Nostrils. So this is what it looks like. I made mine into a heart. I know. I figured it out. So stretchy. Guys, it feels like snow, and as soon as like lots of people have like slime and then they do like the poke. But as soon as you do the poke, it just goes break. It just breaks. This is just a little bit stretchy. It's just like a little bit stretchy, but if you go really slowly, I didn't know how to do that. So guys, now we're going to try to make the tallest tower. So it's me versus Khenrich, and probably we'll definitely know who's going to be the winner because it's going to be going upwards, not going sideways. So yeah, let's do it. So let's set the timer. 3, 2, 1, blast it off! I want by at least like this much. This much only. Okay guys, so our next challenge is create your favorite animal using bubble plants. So it doesn't say how many, but yeah. And it doesn't have a time limit, so perfect. Anyways guys, let's do this. Let's go. I'm gonna guess first what Khenrich made. So I'm guessing that is a ladybug. Yes. Knew it! That's a ladybug. This one is a snake.
No.
A lizard.
No.
An iguana.
No.
An eel.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna move on to this one. Whatever this is. This looks like a mouse.
No.
That looks like a blob, a snail.
Yes.
You like snails? Okay, good. Now this one looks like a line.
No.
It looks like a line.
Tell me, please tell me. A caterpillar.
Let me guess mine.
That's a kitten.
No. Yes.
That's a dog.
No.
Another kitten.
No.
So this one is a kitten and that is a fox.
This is a snail. This is a snail. This is a ladybug. And this is a caterpillar. Yes! So it is a tie again. Okay guys, so our last challenges are the super bouncy pogo party. Anyways guys, now we're going to be doing our last set of challenges, and those are the super bouncy pogo party challenges.
Okay.
So yeah, so this is gonna be so much fun. How many pogo party bouncy balls can you make in 1 minute? Okay guys, I really want to do this as a challenge. So me and Khenrich are gonna each have 2 of them, like so, and we're gonna see who can make the most bouncy balls.
Okay, let's open it.
So let's do it.
Let's see.
And there are actually two of the colors. So I'm gonna be mixing the 2 blues and then the 2 purples. And these are called the Pogo Party Blue Balls.
Actually, I like this one.
You know why it's called blue ball? You know why? It's called blue ball because it's a blue and it's purple. I don't know if that's a bad joke or not, but yeah. Guys, I just thought this looks like butter slime because it doesn't look like butter, but it feels like butter. So I'm gonna try to make it like butter slime. So I'm gonna cut it like butter slime. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Yeah, it does look like butter.
Our next challenge is how many Pogo Party bouncy balls can you make in 1 minute? 3, 2, 1, go!
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Khenrich has won.
Yahoo!
For the first time. Yes, now our last challenge is how high can you bounce your pogo buddy? So we're gonna make it into a ball, a perfect ball, and now we can see how high we can bounce it outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Oh no!
So first, let's make it into a giant ball. So
I made mine.
oh!
It's my go to bounce it. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh my! Okay, so let's make mine into a ball and let's do it. Oh! Oh! Me!
If you think I won this challenge, do hashtag Chelsea won the last challenge. Do it for me. If you think I won, just do Khenrich is the. If I won, do hashtag Chelsea is the winner for the last challenge.
Okay guys, so I have to say a big thank you to Global and GOGOPO for sending me these 3 big sets. That's so big, guys. That's a lot. And I should also say a big thank you to Khenrich for coming over and helping me with this challenge. It was so much fun, isn't it, Khenrich?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below if you want to see another video. And like and please hit the notification button so then you know when a new video comes out. And that, guys, comment down below which is your favorite putty. Is it the super bubbly putty? Is it the super stretchy putty? Or is it the super bouncy putty? My one is this one. I actually kind of like the super bouncy putty a lot because it's like really like, I like how it's like a butter slime texture, but at the same time I really like stretchy. But if I had to choose one, I like the super bouncy. I like the super stretchy putty because it's so like. Goodbye.